It needs diodes.
What?
It needs diodes.
Okay, well, we don't have any, so we're done. Thanks, Kate.
Yeah, the diodes are easy to add afterwards anyway.
Which way does it even go? This way? I guess this way.
Short stream. Check the bag.
We did.
Gilbert?
We did. We checked. No. Don't fucking humor him. I checked the bags multiple times. I know what's in the bags and what's not in the bags. What was in the bag was the mono rule, the controller, some standoffs, and this fucking flip book of fucking memes. Wait, what else did she give me? I think that's it. Plug it in for the memes.
What?
Look at the port.
Oh no! You have a cable? Are you sure this is a Pro Micro? I thought... No. What's the one with Type C? There's one of these with a Type C, right? Elite C. Okay.
Well, that was a lovely stream.
Throwing boards.
Rip Alice. The Alice is in the cabinet right behind me, right there.
You want to do the Meridian test?
Yeah, I'll check out the Meridian. And cry.
No, by test, I mean throw the K at it.
I mean...
Please don't.
Your funeral. Alright, well, I guess that was a quick fucking stream. We built a keyboard that is thrown over there, but it doesn't have diodes. Wait, do we have the firmware now? We do have the firmware now. Thank you, my dude. Unfortunately, we can't do shit without the fucking firmware.
Thank you, Mark.
I blame Kate. It's all fucking Kate's fault. She asked me, and I was very specific. She's like, do you need a Pro Micro and diodes? I'm like, yes, I have nothing in this country. I live in the sand. So she sends me a fucking flip book of sushi. Is this diodes? I can't tell. Bro, look at this though.
Why?
It's like a notepad for taking notes on paper with your hands. To be read while waiting for diodes.
Is it focusing?
Yeah, it will. It's salmon.
Tuna or salmon?
Salmon. Very non-fatty salmon.
That's what she said. What?
Wait, is it tuna?
Right.
The color
red.
is salmon. The color is salmony. So that's what's throwing me off. But like the consistency and texture does look like tuna. You solder diodes from otherboard. I don't have any through holes in anything except my AEK64, and I am not desoldering that. Yes, salmon does have more stripes. So like the color is very salmon. I don't think I think the most color correct thing I have is like this camera. Like this is a very salmony color. Like if you like take a screenshot and type this into Google or paste this into Google, it'll say fucking salmon. The footprint allows SMDs too. I'm not gonna murder a really nice board for a mono rule. I'm gonna buy diodes. Create your own diodes. That's right. We can just use a piece of metal, realistically. But I don't give a shit. Salmon is more orange. Yeah, maybe like in countries where they inject it with orange dye to make it look more orange. That's a thing, by the way. Look it up. Yeah, it is tuna. It is tuna. But the color is very salmony. Tuna's a bit darker than this. I'm certain it is tuna. I found diodes for 20 dirhams. Are they through hole? They dye tuna too? Oh, God, that's nasty.
Oh, there is a pie shop here, actually, that we can buy.
Oh, yeah, they have through holes.
And LEDs. Pretty pog. That's a massive kit.
Yeah, that was a big fucking kit.
20 dirham.
Yeah, with 10 dirham delivery.
Find something on Prime, and I might buy it.
Use my affiliate code.
Does it work on AE?
Yeah, I have an affiliate code for E.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Should have told me. I spent a shit ton of money on Amazon.
God damn it, Paul. You could have gotten some of that money back through me.
Soon.
Alright, well, before we end the stream, does anybody have any questions besides whether it's tuna or salmon?
Yeah, I did. With my meme switches. They were looped with 206, by the way. G00.
Oh, 00, okay. Why end stream? Because we built the thing we needed to build.
Let Simon review.
No.
No.
Not now. I need time with it. Show it on stream.
Imagine going to Dragonmart.
Play Fireboy and Water Girl? Is that a sexual thing? Is it tuna or salmon? Yes. It's definitely one of those. Watch it be like whitefish.
Did you see PBT Toby? You're gonna love Sunday. You're gonna love it.
Black salmon. Build the fucking K. Bro, I'm not gonna build the K. We're saving the K build. We are saving the K build for a very special day.
Do I have to experience that too?
What?
I guess I did. I gotta experience the K when it's built. So I can compare.
I'm gonna build it with the finest of best switches.
You're gonna build it with the switches that I pulled out, right?
Nope. For the day when I have 70 bad switches, you only need 59 bad switches for a HHKB.
No.
No, of course not. Those are for a real board. Later, Rob. Alright. Fuck. How am I gonna raid people? I don't have a board. Feels bad. Does that have caps? Paul, get us caps. Let's fucking go.
I did 2 swaps for you.
I think I remember 30 minutes ago. My
The
will.
only thing you remember?
My will to live died after I saw that Tesla graph.
No, you could forget everything in the world except for your position on a stock. Like, that is you, in a nutshell.
Yes.
Where was Tesla? 29 minutes and 69 seconds ago. I don't know why I said that.
628. 628. I'm assuming.
How do I get my hair so good? I don't. I need a haircut.
Yeah, you need a haircut. Paul needs a haircut, guys. Yeah, nobody's fucking streaming.
And the only reason it's like this is because I've got like a fucking 5 head under this, so yeah. Did you see the fucking emote that was made? It's literally Megamind. But it's just my forehead.
Why did I click on just chatting?
It's long for me. Like, I usually have it like shaved.
Who's this?
It's pink.
Okay.
And it's a pre-built.
Okay.
Unless the guy cheat on band. Please don't.
We're looking at who we can raid. What poor, unsuspecting subathon. Huh. Imagine running a subathon. Ooh, a KBD 70. God damn it! I thought that said a Sing is 75. Paul, what happened to my brain cells? I've like given up on life.
I thought you had one cell because it's just that.
It's gone.
Sorry.
Yeah, there's literally nobody. Oh, group buy review. Who is this guy?
Really? You don't know this guy?
No.
He does some nice streams.
Does he?
Yeah.
I like this. I can see what's
Okay, there's not 20 links for sponsors, so I like this guy.
I don't know if he's a flipper or not, but like.
Whatever, there isn't 20 links to sponsor, so he's a good guy. Alright, let's go. We're rating this guy. Prepare your gators, okay? Prepare your goddamn gators. I expect to see at least 400 gators a minute once we hit his fucking channel, okay? And I'll see you guys on Sunday. You degenerates.